Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez. We are on day 10 of my Christmas series. I am doing a total of 30 Christmas videos in the month of November. Today we are going to be doing a beautiful DIY ornament. Now, as always, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Like, comment, and share. That helps my channel to grow. Now on to the supplies. We are going to be needing this DIY ornament. It is from Hobby Lobby and I was able to get it for $1. I'm going to also be using some acrylic paint in antique parchment, a paintbrush, and these acrylic ornaments from Hobby Lobby and an upholstery needle to help us make a little hole. You'll see. I'm going to start by preparing my work area. I am again using this acrylic paint from Apple Barrel in antique parchment, and I'm going to go ahead and paint this ornament. Originally I was going to leave it the color that it is. It's kind of this cardboard color because these are made out of like thin cardboard. I think that's the best way that I can explain it to you. They're beautiful. I think they are perfect for various different DIYs, but I wanted to keep mine very simple. So all I did again was paint the ornament. I went ahead and painted a total of 6 of them. Let them dry completely. Once they are fully dry, I'm going to take a sanding block and I'm going to very gently sand some of these corners, just so that it looks like if it had been like knocked around, so that it's more of a natural distressing. Again, I'm going to repeat this. Make sure you do this very gently because under the paint is a paper, which obviously is more gentle than and more fragile, than if it was a piece of wood or anything else. You don't want to sand too much because you're just going to rip it instead of just removing some of the color, and that's all I want. This is the final look after I was done distressing. Now it's time to add our little embellishment at the bottom. So I'm taking this acrylic ornament, just taking the little tag that it has, because we're going to use this upholstery needle to make a small hole here at the bottom, and I am following the natural grooves of this ornament and just going straight into it. It does take a while because I am scared to pinch myself. To prick myself with a needle, so I'm trying to be as gentle as I can. Also, I want this to be as straight as possible. Once I finally get the needle to go through, I'm going to put it in through the other side so that I can make sure I have a good enough of a hole on both sides. I'm stretching it out a little bit with a needle because what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert this like jump ring essentially that is on this ornament. I'm going to open it a little bit. It works kind of like a keychain, so just pass it through there, and I made sure that it was both of the loops were firmly inside of the ornament. I'm not adding any glue or anything, but you can most definitely add a small dab of hot glue so that it stays in place better. Again, I felt like this worked out for me, and here it is complete. I am going to change this little gold piece because it doesn't match with the rest of my tree. But you can switch it to pretty much anything you have on hand or leave it as is. Again, here is the completed ornament. I wanted to show kind of what it would look like on a green tree, which is going to be my main living room tree, and here it is on this flock tree, which is in my office. I am very happy with the way this turned out. I'm gonna go ahead and complete the rest of them, and I can't wait to show you what it all looks like once I am done with my main tree. Again, thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Like, comment, and share. That helps my channel to grow, and you have a very good rest of your day. Bye bye.